हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है कॉमर्स ट्रेजर। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मैसूर MCOM PG एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन PGEE 2020 paper. I have already made videos on 2016, 17, 18 and 19 paper. If you have not seen those videos, I am putting the link into the description. Do watch those videos, and without wasting much time, let us go to the 2020 paper. Dash is called as father of modern management. Elton Mayo, F.W. Taylor, Peter F. Drucker, Henry Fayol. So father of modern management is Peter F. Drucker. He is the one who gave the concept of MBO, management by objectives. Elton Mayo is called as father of human resource management. F.W. Taylor is called as father of scientific management, and Henry Fayol is called as father of general management. Apart from this, father of accounting is Luca D. Pecioli, father of statistics is Fisher, father of economics is Adam Smith. POSDCORB concept is under knowledge management, strategic management, marketing management, functions of management. So very simple question, it is under functions of management. So POSDCORB stands for P over here is planning, O stands for organizing, S stands for staffing, D stands for directing, CO stands for coordinating, R stands for reporting, and B stands for budgeting. So these are the 7 functions which were given by Luther Gulick as functions of management. Grapevine is related with unity of command, communication, decision making, Espirit D corps. So unity of command and Espirit D corps are not the answer because these two are among the 14 principles given by Henry Fayol. Communication is going to be the right answer for grapevine. Grapevine is nothing but informal communication. In what order do managers typically perform the managerial function? Organizing, planning, controlling, leading. Planning, leading, organizing, controlling. Leading, planning, controlling, organizing. Planning, organizing, leading and controlling. So always remember, we always start with planning. So we have 2 options of planning. Once we plan, we organize things, and then comes leading, and always last comes controlling. So option number D is going to be the right sequence of the managerial functions. Which one is not a recognized key skill of management? Conceptual skills, human skills, technical skills, none of the above. In order to manage things, conceptual skills definitely are required. It includes skills which are used for making strategies and policies of the business. Human skills are also required, which includes skills related to interacting with humans. Technical skills are nothing but skills relating to technologically upgraded knowledge. Therefore, none of the above will be the right answer, as all the 3 are the skills which are required by management. Which financial statement displays the revenue and expenses of a company for a period of time? Income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, statement of stockholders' equity. So always remember, the financial statement which displays revenue and expenses is the income statement, which is required to find out the profitability of the organization. Balance sheet is used to find out the financial position of the organization. Cash flow statement shows the cash statement or the cash position of a company. What is the main purpose of financial accounting? Provide useful financial information to outsider, organize financial information, keep track of company expenses, minimize company taxes. So always remember, the main function of financial accounting is to organize finance information and provide it to the outsider. So option number A and B both actually are correct for this, but if you see, the main purpose is always gathering the information and giving it to the outsiders. Which of the following is not included as a separate item in basic accounting equation? Asset, revenue, liability, stockholders' equity. So if you remember the basic accounting equation, which says that assets are equal to liabilities plus capital. Capital is nothing but it is the stockholders' equity. So therefore revenue is not included in the accounting equation. The accrual basis of accounting records revenues when they are collected, earned, contracted, readily available for use. So always remember there are two methods of accounting records. One is cash system, where whenever cash is received or paid, we record the entries, and second is accrual basis, where the records of revenue will be recorded as soon as they are contracted. So option number C will be the right answer for this question. Assets accounts are having dash balance: debit, credit, contra, cash balance. So again a very simple question, always they have a debit balance. So whenever we write the opening entry, we always write to balance brought down in case of your asset account. The word statistics is derived from an Italian word statistic, status, statistic, statista. So the correct answer is option number D, Statista, which means statesman or politician. Statistics can be considered as a tool for decision making, a vague concept, a complex phenomenon, neither art nor science. So vague concept definitely is not correct. Neither art nor science, this is also not correct, because statistic is both art as well as science. So tool for decision making and a complex phenomenon, if you consider from these two, option number C, a complex phenomenon, will be the correct answer. Listing of all population units is called as an experiment, a table, a frame, a survey. So right answer is option number C, a frame. A sampling frame is nothing but it is a list of all the population under study. For example, a telephone directory where you can get all the information about the people living in an area or a city, and then from that you can select any number of samples which you are required. Data originally collected for an investigation is called as primary data, secondary data, survey data, original data. So correct answer is option number A, primary data, which is the first hand collected data. For example, if you collect data with the help of interview, questionnaire, observation, experiments, etc., then it is called as primary data. Secondary data is data which has already been collected by someone. For example, from internet, books, magazines, government records, etc. Random sampling is also referred to as systematic sampling, non-probability sampling, probability sampling, stratified sampling. So random sampling is also called as probability sampling, because here all the samples have an equal chance of getting selected. The best example of random sampling can be lottery method, where everybody has an equal chance to win a lottery. Marketing is a process of converting the potential customer into actual customer, prospective customers, marketers, none of them. So again a very simple question. Marketing is a process of converting potential to actual customers. Those who want to buy, you make them to buy that particular product. The concept of marketing mix was developed by Philip Kotler, Stapleton, Jerome McCarthy, W Emery. The right answer is option number C, Jerome McCarthy, who gave the concept of 4 P's of marketing mix. Serving a small market not served by competitors is known as local marketing, no. Segment marketing, no. Individual marketing, no. So it is called as niche marketing. For example, you might have heard about woman Horlicks. So that is an example of niche marketing, where they have targeted only woman audience or only woman population. Trademark is a name, registered product, symbol, package. So trademark is nothing but it refers to word, phrase, symbol, design, or combination of these things. So it is definitely a symbol. Market segmentation refers to division of market on various bases, targeting a particular area, positioning a single product, none of these. So market segmentation is division of the market on various bases. So you divide the whole market into different parts or segments. Then when you choose a particular segment, it is called as targeting. And then when you want to develop as a leader or challenger in that segment, it is called as positioning strategy. So these are very important concepts of marketing, which is called as STP analysis. S stands for segmentation, T for targeting, and P for positioning. The formula to estimate labor mix variance is option number B, that is revised standard time minus actual time into standard rate. expenditure incurred on material, labor, machinery, production and inspection are summed up to find the total cost of product, selling price of product, factory cost of product, none of the above. So whenever you add expenditure on material, labor, machinery, production, inspection, all these together are called as factory cost of product. If you are adding only direct material, direct labor and direct expenses, it becomes prime cost. But when you are adding all these costs in a factory, then it is called as factory cost, especially when it comes to production. Which of these is not an object of cost accounting? Ascertainment of cost, definitely it is an objective. Determination of selling price, this is also an objective. Cost controlling and cost reduction, definitely this is also an objective. So assisting shareholders in decision making, this is not an object of cost accounting. Fixed cost is a cost which changes in total in proportion to changes in output, which is partly fixed and partly variable in relation to output, which does not change in total during a given period despite change in output, which remains same for each unit of output. So always remember, fixed cost is a cost which is same in total, it does not changes with the change in the output. So option number C is correct. Fixed cost per unit is going to change with the increase in number of quantity. Variable cost per unit is always same, it does not changes, but variable cost total, it goes on changing as per the level of output. So these are very important points about variable cost and fixed cost. Stores ledger is a quantitative as well as value wise record of material received, issued and balance. Definitely correct. So option number A is correct. Quantity record of material received, issued and balance is nothing but it is the bin card in which you record only quantity and not the price. When you are recording price as well as quantity, then it is called as stores ledger, which is maintained by a storekeeper or a store manager. So we'll stop here in this video. Remaining 25 questions we'll discuss in the next video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching the video and let us meet again with another video.